Wow, hello, that's me, Merida. And today, we're gonna be playing another round of Subway Surfers. And I've got me a special guest here. Her name is Princess Elsa. Now, you may know Princess Elsa from the Disney movie Frozen. Now, Elsa, I'm gonna let you introduce yourself. The floor is yours.
Hi there, Merida. It's me, Elsa, and I'm so excited to be playing Subway Surfers today. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun!
Right you are, Elsa. Now we're gonna be having a fierce competition. Are you ready for this, Elsa?
Oh, of course I am, Merida.
Alright, I've got to warn ya. I'm pretty good at Subway Surfers, so you're gonna have a real challenge here. Does that sound good?
Of course!
Alright, now, I'm gonna let you go first, okay? Alright, so, Elsa, why don't you take over? Go ahead and start off again.
Alright, here I go. Collecting coins. Oh, jumping. This is so much fun. This is my first time playing this game. Oh, no, Merida, can I please play again? Please, 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 please!
Alright, shut up! You can play again! Fine. Alright, just start it off again. My god, I can't believe we're doing this.
Thank you, Merida, for being so kind. Alright, I hope I'll do better this time. Last time I didn't do so well. Alright, here comes a big duck. And jump! Whoa! You know, this game is so fun.
Yeah, you know what's even more fun? Me beating you.
Now, Merida, that's not very nice now, is it?
Well, I guess it's not, but it's the truth.
Merida, why don't you try to be a little bit more kind?
Alright, whatever, you're so good at this game. Oh my god, Elsa, I can't believe you. Oh, you're just so good, aren't you?
Yeah. Thank you, Merida. Hey, you're good too.
Yeah, tell me something I don't know. Anyway. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, you're doing alright for your first game. Doing alright.
Yeah, thanks, Merida, for those kind words of encouragement. I know you'll do good too.
Oh, you better believe I will.
I've got a key.
Alright.
Okay. Alrighty. Oh, this is so much fun.
Okay.
Oh no! I'm being chased! Oh no! Oh no! Oh! No! Oh well. Alright. I think that was not too shabby. Merida, it's your turn.
Alright. Okay, so your score was 44,000. Big deal! Big deal! Alright, let me go. Alright, so I'm starting off, blah blah blah, so slow, blah blah blah, okay, I'm gonna dock that. La 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 la. It's going along here.
You're doing so good, Merida.
Well, thanks, Elsa. You know, Elsa, I gotta say, I gotta apologize to you. I'm in a bit of a bitter mood today because, you know, for breakfast, you know, we had haggis. Okay, and that haggis was a little bit rotten, so it left a real bad taste in my mouth. And you know, I've been bitter all day, and you know, me dad King Fergus, he's not been in his best mood lately. And not to mention, me mum was turned into a bear by a witch, so she's well, she's a little bit irritable. I'll just say that. Ow! Golly gosh! Alright, Elsa. Well, I got a score of 29,000, which means you won. Golly gosh, I can't believe this.
Elsa, Merida, I think that you did wonderful. And you have to take some advice from me and let it go. Let it go.
Oh, shut up. What do you know, Elsa? Alright, whatever. I say one of these days we get back together and we have a little rematch. Okay, and we see who really is the queen of Subway Surfers. What do you say?
That would be wonderful.
Alright. Well, this is the end of the video, so if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and staying tuned for future updates, for future uploads when I do post. And this has been me, Merida, and I'll be shooting for my own hand. Bye-bye.